Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. The White Tiger, a novel about modern India, was written by A. Kiran Desai, B. Aravind Adiga, C. Jhampa Lahiri, D. Chetan Bhagat. Right answer is option B, Aravind Adiga. Next question. Who wrote Inheritance of Loss, which won the Booker Prize? A. Kiran Desai, B. Anita Desai, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Salman Rushdie. Right answer is option A, Kiran Desai. Next question. Which poet wrote Relationships, a long autobiographical poem? A. Nissim Ezekiel, B. Dom Morais, C. Jayanta Mahapatra, D. KKN Daruwalla. Right answer is option C, Jayanta Mahapatra. Next question. Malgudi is a fictional town created by A. Raja Rao, B. R.K. Narayan, C. Mulk Raj Anand, D. Ruskin Bond. Right answer is option B, R.K. Narayan. Next question. The novel Train to Pakistan is set against which historical event? A. Quit India Movement, B. Partition of India, C. Emergency, D. Indo-China War. Right answer is option B, Partition of India. Next question. Who among the following was known for writing travel memoirs as well as fiction? A. Neeraj C. Chaudhary, B. Raja Rao, C. Shashi Deshpande, D. Amitav Ghosh. Right answer is option A, Neeraj C. Chaudhary. Next question. Which author wrote A House for Mr. Biswas about an Indian family in Trinidad? A. Salman Rushdie, B. V.S. Napal, C. Amitav Ghosh, D. Jhampa Lahiri. Right answer is option B, V.S. Napal. Next question. Which Indian poet's work is notable for feminist themes and confessional style? A. Jayanta Mahapatra, B. Kamla Das, C. A.K. Ramanujan, D. Dom Morais. Right answer is option B, Kamla Das. Next question. Swami and Friends is part of which trilogy? A. Malgudi Trilogy, B. Indian Independence Trilogy, C. Partition Trilogy, D. Colonial Trilogy. Right answer is option A, Malgudi Trilogy. Next question. Kantapura by Raja Rao deals with A. The emergency period, B. A South Indian village's response to Gandhi movement, C. Partition of India, D. Urbanization in Bombay. Right answer is option B, A South Indian village's response to Gandhi movement. Next question. Who wrote the autobiographical work My Story? A. Kamla Markande, B. Kamla Das, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Jhampa Lahiri. Right answer is option B, Kamla Das. Next question. Nectar in a Sieve focuses mainly on A. Indian royalty, B. Peasant life and struggles against poverty, C. Freedom fighters, D. Urban middle class. Right answer is option B, Peasant life and struggles against poverty. Next question. Which of these is a novel by Anita Desai about an isolated German scholar in India? A. Fasting, Feasting, B. Baumgartner's Bombay, C. In Custody, D. Fire on the Mountain. Right answer is option B, Baumgartner's Bombay. Next question. Who is considered a pioneer of modern Indian English poetry and wrote A Time to Change? A. Jayanta Mahapatra, B. Nissim Ezekiel, C. Dom Morais, D. R. Parthasarathi. Right answer is option B, Nissim Ezekiel. Next question. The novel Sea of Poppies is part of which trilogy? A. The Partition Trilogy, B. The Ibis Trilogy, C. The Bengal Quartet, D. The Empire Trilogy. Right answer is option B, The Ibis Trilogy. Next question. Which work is not by Amitav Ghosh? A. The Glass Palace, B. The Hungry Tide, C. The Great Indian Novel, D. Sea of Poppies. Right answer is option C, The Great Indian Novel. Next question. Who wrote the poem Enterprise, exploring the failure of human endeavor? A. R. Parthasarathi, B. Nissim Ezekiel, C. Dom Morais, D. Jayanta Mahapatra. Right answer is option B, Nissim Ezekiel. Next question. Which novel by Salman Rushdie deals with a group of exiled Indian dancers? A. Shame, B. The Moor's Last Sigh, C. The Ground Beneath Her Feet, D. The Enchantress of Florence. Right answer is option C, The Ground Beneath Her Feet. Next question. The collection Summer in Calcutta reflects mainly A. Romanticism, B. Confessional and feminist themes, C. Post-colonial politics, D. Rural nostalgia. Right answer is option B. Confessional and feminist themes. Next question. The novel A Suitable Boy is set in the backdrop of A. India's struggle for independence, B. Post-independence period and Hindu-Muslim tensions, C. Partition riots, D. British Raj politics. Right answer is option B. Post-independence period and Hindu-Muslim tensions. Question for you. Who wrote A Time to Change, 60 Poems and the Exact Name? A. Jayanta Mahapatra, B. Dom Morais, C. Nisam Ezekiel, D. R. Parthasarathi. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned, we will meet tomorrow with another important session.